Okay, we just, after replacing the shift actuator on this Maytag, we were able to successfully do a small load. Now we're doing a second load, bulky sheets mode, soil level heavy, wash temperature cold, bulky sheets. Now it's making this terrible sound. What is this terrible sound? That does not sound good. Anyone have any ideas? Let me know in the comments, because you know, there's a brand new shift actuator on this thing, and did I not install it correctly? Because it seemed like it was seated correctly. I can't think of anything else. Let me know. Thank you.